What drew me specifically to MaidPro and what I would look for in any franchise partner is team, technology support, and marketing support. That's always been my big three things when I'm looking. Gotta trust the team and have a good feeling about that.
Welcome to the Art of Franchise Marketing.
Hello and welcome to the Art of Franchise Marketing, a podcast series brought to you by Netsertive. Today, our guest is Jesse Zook. He is the CEO and owner of MaidPro, FlyFoe, and Men In Kilts franchise. Thank you for joining me today, Jesse.
Thank you for having me.
How are you handling the marketing on the Google side and the reviews?
So I use an outside vendor to manage kind of like the whole paid marketing, paid digital marketing. I have an outside vendor to do that, which is all about getting cheap leads, cheap and appropriate leads, and then creating a conversion opportunity for those leads. So I hire somebody and pretty much outsource that whole thing, somebody who's really plugged into that and really knows what they're doing. I think that's all part of the thing with being a multi-brand owner now is like, how am I going to, is there a technology or is there a tool that I could use that's really going to help me and help me cross-sell, but also just like do the basic things, I need to do for each one of my brands. And so I'm spending a lot more time on that piece, on the growth side of things, especially the marketing side and the generation side of things. Because I think it's like a lot of stuff is just prohibitively expensive too. To spend on direct mail or print media, it's just not really worth it. And so finding ways to get customers to recommend you is like absolutely like the best thing you can do, or at least in my industry, the best thing I can do to drive new sales.
Thanks for listening to The Art of Franchise Marketing. This show is brought to you by Netsertive. We help franchise brands and multi-location businesses run localized digital marketing at scale. To learn more, visit netsertive.com.